So, boiler heat is actually relatively simple. It requires a few very basic entities to make it work. So, let's go through some of how simple this is, because it really is that. A thermostat will call for things. It is really just two switches. Call for heat, call for cool, and let's just keep it basic for that particular function. When it asks for heat, we need to do a couple of things. We first need to get a big loop going, and so we have a cycling pump that needs to be engaged, which is engaged by the thermostat saying, hey, relay, turn on the pump. This relay has a secondary output relay, which then tells, hey, furnace, you need to turn on too. With the furnace turning on, then you have this call pump wire that goes to the master pump, and that will begin your master loop, and it will cycle a big main loop. And then you have a secondary pump, which is for that particular zone, pull off that main loop and go to the zone it's desired. That's basically it in a nutshell. And then you have an air handling unit on a particular zone, which gets called upon with fan. And by doing so, the fan just moves the air around. And that's all really air handler really is just a radiator and a fan. And if there's air conditioning up there too, air conditioning. So that's water cooling in a nutshell. It's pretty simple. Just looks complicated.